This is laser customization automation solutions for cultural and creative products. Instant creating, permanent marking. This whole product is based on modular design, which including 5 areas: operation experience area and storage packaging area. Product processing area, product storage area, and control module area. The overall design of the scheme is simple and practical, with a combination of large area metal and acrylic, presenting an ultimate aesthetic style. The detailed design fully considers the user's feelings, allowing users to experience laser technology up close. Welcome to the laser fantasy world. Let's experience the customization. Now, let's begin. Now, we begin the experience customization. First, select your favorite creative product. Press Next. Choose WeChat or Alipay to pay. Then use your cell phone to scan the QR code. Then put down your signature. Then press Confirm and begin to customize. Customization is completed. Fantastic. Laser customization, instant and permanent, suitable for creative expression. Technology empowers cultural and creative products. Cultural and creative industrials provide application scenarios for technology.